Hello, boys and girls, and welcome back for day 2. I hope you guys are enjoying our fabulously fun songs. Today, we were working on R-controlled vowels, or a little thing that I like to call bossy R. As you can see on the screen in front of you, we have our chart or our table, and we have AR, OR, OAR, and ORE. And you'll notice we have some words on the sides once again. So we are going to say each word out loud, and as I say them, I want you to be thinking which column that word belongs under. Let's start with the first one. Bark. Bark. Bark belongs under AR. Porch. Porch. I wish that I had a porch to sit on. We're going to move this over to the OR column. Restore. Restore. Well, when I look at that word, I see OR, but I also see an E at the end. Let me see if my column, oh look, O-R-E, restore. Okay, next word, scoreboard. Scoreboard. That's a tricky one. Scoreboard. I'm going to put that into my OAR column. Now, what would happen if I separated those two words into score and board? Would I still put score under OAR if they were two separate words? No, I'd put it under my ORE column. Let's move on. Torch. Torch. I love watching them light the Olympic torch. Ooh, star. Star is my new favorite word. I think you all are rock stars. We are going to put that in the correct column, AR. Next word is yarn. AR. All right, these next few words we're going to move a little bit faster through. Stormy goes in my OR column. Pork goes in my OR column. Shark goes in my AR column. And if you notice with all of these words, even though there is a vowel, that vowel is followed by the R, which we have said is sometimes very bossy. Roaring. I heard the lion roaring at the zoo. Alarm. Born. Oh. Born. I'm going to put that in my OR column. Sports also goes in my OR column. Sword. Shoreline. Ooh. All right, now I want you to push the pause button and I want you to think of some other words that may fall into each one of these different columns. And when you're ready, push play and see what I came up with. Dart, cart, fork, story, storyboard, all aboard, explore, one of Miss Gebhardt's favorite things to do here in Korea. And finally, more. Well, that about wraps us up for day 2 of word study and vocabulary, and I will see you all tomorrow.